children, welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video we will learn how to construct an angle using compass and ruler. So this is a compass and this is a ruler, you all know that. Now we will learn how to construct, how to make an angle measuring 60 degree. तो हम 60 degree के angle को बनाना सीखेंगे. First of all, make a line segment of any length. Give it a name, suppose A and B. Now we have to make one angle at point A. Suppose हमें point A में angle बनाना है 60 degree का measure का. So open the compass of any measure. आप कितने भी measure का इसे open कर सकते हैं. बस just remember that when you are using it, you don't disturb the measurement. आप इसे हिलाए ना, बिना हिलाए आपको यूज करना है. Now you will put the compass pointer on point A because हमें point A में एंगल बनाना है. Make one arc like this. एक सेमी सर्कल जैसा आर्क बनाना है आपको in this way. Now the arc, wherever the arc is intersecting the line, it's intersecting here in this point. उसी point में रखकर with the same measure of the compass, make another arc in this way. Now this point where these two arcs are intersecting, you'll join the line from this dot to A. Now this angle is 60 degree. 60 degree is very easy and very simple. Now you can measure. आप इसे check कर सकते हैं measure करके कि ये 60 degree है कि नहीं है. Now you can see that it is exactly 60 degree, isn't it? So हमने 60 degree के लिए क्या किया? First we have opened the compass of any measure. फिर हम इससे एक arc बनाए. Then where the arc is intersecting the line, arc जहाँ पे line को cut कर रहा है वहाँ पे रख के हमने उसी measure से दूसरा arc बनाया. Then after that the point where these two arcs are intersecting, we have just joined. This is the required angle whose measure is 60 degree. We can write here 60 degree. Now let us construct another angle of measure 120 degree. So same process, draw a line and give it a name. आप इसे कुछ भी name दे सकते हैं. Suppose I am giving CD. Okay. Now taking C as center, we will make an arc. हम एक आर्क बनाएंगे जो हमारे लाइन को कट करता हो, which should intersect, which should cut our line CD. So ये लाइन पे कट कर रहा है इस पॉइंट पे. Now put the compass on this point. Remember ये जो मेजर से आपने आर्क बनाया था उसी मेजर से आपको यहाँ से कट करना है. Okay? You should not disturb the compass. The previous. Now we'll make another arc which will intersect the previous arc. तो ये तो 60 degree बना क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट वाला है वो 60 degree है. Now we will put the compass on this arc. यहाँ पे हम रखेंगे, फिर और एक arc बनाएंगे in this way. First one arc, then second arc. Now this arc, this another arc where they are meeting this point. इसे मार्क कीजिए and then join this point from point C. Join कीजिए इस तरीके से एक लाइन बना दीजिए. Now this you can give it a name, suppose O. So OCD is 120 degree. You can measure it with the protractor. See, this is exactly 120 degree. Okay. So what we have done, we have drawn a line, then we have drawn an arc which will be cutting the line CD. Now with this point where it is cutting, the center will take this as center and will make another arc. Then again we'll take this as center and will make another arc. जहाँ पे ये दोनों arc meet कर रहा है, we will draw a line. We'll join these points and then this is our required angle. That is 120 degree. Now let us learn how to construct 90 degree. So same process first. First we will draw one line segment and give it a name. Suppose AB. नाउ वी विल टेक एनी पॉइंट एज सेंटर. आप यहाँ पे एंगल बना सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी बना सकते हैं. सो आई वॉन्ट टू मेक इट हियर, सो आई विल टेक ए एज सेंटर एंड कॉम्पस को थोड़ा ओपन करेंगे एंड देन वी विल मेक वन आर्क ओवर हियर in this way. So first of all we need to make 60 degree. So we'll put it here. We know how to make 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now from 60 degree we will make 120 degree in this way. Now this 120 degree, from 60 degree we will make one, we will extend this arc. ये जो 120 का जो हमारा आर्क होगा ये थोड़ा हम बड़ा बनाएंगे. We'll make it little longer. Okay. Now with the same measurement from 120 degree हम यहाँ पे और एक आर्क बनाएंगे ऊपर में जो हमारे इस पहले वाले आर्क को कट कर रहा हो. In this way. Now this point and our center A, if we join it, we will get 90 degree. So we can name it as O. So OAB is 90 degree. You can check with the protector. See, it is exactly 90 degree. So हमने क्या किया 90 डिग्री बनाने के लिए? फर्स्ट वी मेड 60 डिग्री, देन 120 डिग्री का आर्क बनाया, फिर 60 डिग्री के ऊपर रख के 120 का आर्क को थोड़ा बड़ा बनाया. वी मेड लिटिल लॉन्गर एंड देन फ्रॉम 120 डिग्री वी मेड अनदर आर्क जो इस पहले वाले आर्क को कट कर रहा हो. देन द पॉइंट of intersection we have joined the point, so we got our exact measure of 90 degree. So it's very easy and very interesting if you follow the steps. Now let us construct an angle measuring 45 degree. Same process. First we will make 90 degree. 45 is the half of 90. 90 को अगर हम 2 से divide करेंगे then we will get 45 degree. That means we have to make half of 90. Half means bisect. So we have to make the bisector of 90 degree. मतलब 90 डिग्री को हमें दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है, डिवाइड बाई 2 करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मेक 90 डिग्री. सो 90 डिग्री के लिए हम इसे पहले हमें विल गिव इट अ नेम AB. नाउ टेकिंग A एज सेंटर वी विल मेक वन आर्क इन दिस वे विच विल intersect our line. Now from here we will make 60 degree, then from 60 degree we will make 120 degree and we will extend our arc in this way. Now 120 degree से रख के हम from here this point we will make another arc which will be our 90 degree. Now we have to make 45 degree not 90. Okay, remember it. So हम 90 को join नहीं करेंगे but we will make a dotted line for our convenience. So इस dotted line के मदद से हम 45 डिग्री बनाएंगे. So this is our 90 degree, right? Now we will measure this angle. यहाँ पे रख के हम इस angle को measure करेंगे अपने compass में. We will open the compass more wider. Now this is our measure. हमें इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लेना है. We will take more than half of this. So ये जो measure है इसका हम full भी ले सकते हैं या more than half. So we'll take full. यहाँ पे रख के with this as center because we are making half of 90 degree. So 90 degree is from here to here. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 90 degree है. So we will take the measure of 90 degree now in this way and we will cut one arc in this way. Now from the another point, this one, you can give it a name, suppose U and M. So from U, taking U as center, we have cut one arc. Now with the same measure, we'll take M as center and we will cut another arc like this. Okay. Now ये दोनों जहाँ पे intersect कर रहा है this point and point A, our center, the previous center A, we will draw one line. We'll join these dots. So this from here to here we got 45 degree. You can measure and check. This will be exactly equal to 45 degree. See 40, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45 degree. So this is the bisector of angle 90 degree. कोई भी एंगल का हम हाफ कर सकते हैं, बाइसेक्टर बना सकते हैं. सबसे पहले आपको वो एंगल बनाना होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल मेक दैट एंगल एंड देन यू विल टेक द मेजर ऑफ द एंगल एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू हैव टू मेक 2 आर्क्स इन दिस वे. सो दैट विल बी द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ द एंगल. मतलब वो उसका हाफ बन जाएगा. So this is the half of 90 degree, that is 45 degree. You can also make half of 60 degree, that will be 30 degree आप बना सकते हैं. 120 का half 60, we know that how to make 60 degree. So in this way we can make the bisectors of an angle. I hope you have understood. Now try it by yourself. Thank you.